Dennis L. Bowdoin. Dennis L. Bowdoin purchased his first helicopter, a Robinson R-22, in 1982. He received his private rotorcraft helicopter rating in 1988, commercial rotorcraft helicopter rating in 1990, and CFA rotorcraft helicopter rating in 1991. 3 years later, the Federal Aviation Administration appointed Dennis as a safety counselor. Dennis served as Michigan Helicopter Association Safety Officer from 1983 to 2010 and became president of the Michigan Helicopter Association in 1991. He purchased land, built the public Maple Grove Heliport, and became the heliport manager in 1992. 1 year later, Dennis took over the airport. He wrote the helicopter program and syllabus for the Western Michigan University College of Aviation and ran the program for 9 years. Dennis transformed Romeo Airport into a working classroom for WMU's airport management curriculum and earned the Michigan Aeronautics Commission Award for excellence for doing so. Awarded Robinson Helicopter Insurance Program authorization, Dennis conducted safety audits in 2000 and ran a Robinson Helicopter Company Service Center and Overhaul Center in 2001. He earned a Michigan Aero Science Certificate for instructing teachers and teaching methods and the Airport Manager's Workshop Certificate for teaching airport managers how to deal with helicopters and parachutes in 2003. In 2009, Dennis became the FAA General Aviation FASST Team Representative of the Year for dedication to safety through education, which has been his major concentration throughout his career. For his contributions to Michigan commercial aviation and aviation safety leadership, Dennis L. Bowdoin is inducted into the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.